Want to add a link to your website on your Threads profile, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a link to your Threads bio. Now let's get started. To add a link to your bio on Threads, open the Threads app and go to your profile. Then tap Edit Profile. Select Links. Then tap Add Link. Now type in or paste the link to the website you want to link to. If you like, you can add a title to your link to make it clear what this link is for. Tap Done to add it to your profile. You can have up to 5 links in your bio, so if you want to link another page, repeat these steps to add all the links you'd like in your bio. Then tap Done to save. Tap Done again to close the profile editor. Your clickable link will then be added to your Threads bio. If you've added multiple links, tapping the link in your bio will open a menu where people can see all of your links and choose which one they want to open. That's all it takes to add a link to your bio on Threads. Want to add a link to your TikTok profile? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.